Yo, what's going on, y'all? Today I want to make a quick video on testing out this Rust-Oleum Wipe new headlight restoration kit I got from Walmart. It was $9.88 plus tax. So today I'm working on a Hyundai SUV, and they wanted the headlights done, and I don't typically do headlights, so I just went and bought this kit real quick. We're gonna try it out. So there you go. There's before. They're trying to sell this vehicle and nobody likes nasty headlights. So let's see if this kit works. All right, let's see what comes inside this kit. So right here we have this thing called Wipe It. Looks like a microfiber towel and some gloves. Also comes with this. On the instructions it says wet the headlight lens with water and use the green side of this pad. I guess this is the green side right here. Like, color almost looks the same, but I guess this is the green side. So basically it's saying wet sand the headlight with the green side of this, rinse the headlight off, wet sand it with this side. They call this the gray side. Dry the lens with the microfiber towel they gave you. If you didn't wet sand good enough, it says go back and do it again 2 or 3 times. So after you got it wet sanded real good, you just want to dry it off and make sure it's real dry. It says you want to be in a well ventilated area. I'm outside. So after you do that, you're going to wipe it with this. So let's try it. Wet the headlight. Dip this in there, use the green side. Oh yeah. We popped the hood because this bug reflector's in the way. All right, let me rinse it off, and then we'll start with the gray side. So now you want to put the gloves on they gave you, and then wipe it with this. That headlight's hazed up real good, so now I'm about to put the gloves on and try to wipe it off. Hope this works. Gotta make the customers happy, man. That's what it's all about. The gloves are pretty small, so if you got other gloves, you may want to use those. Very small gloves. All right, got the opening up the yellow kit. Comes with one towel. That's the towel. Very loud smell. Wipe it off. Oh wow. Holy smoke. Wipe it in real good. Look at the towel. My glove ripped because it's too small. Towel's yellow from that oxidation. So it says these headlights will dry in about an hour. I don't have an hour to wait. I got to take this vehicle back to the customers and start on another one. So that's how it looks for now. I got to drive about 15 minutes to take this one back. So in 15 minutes, I'll give you an update on how they look after driving. All right, y'all. Sorry, my vehicle's running over there, but after about a 10-15 minute drive, that's how it looks. I think it looks okay. I think it looks alright, but I think they are definitely better kits out there, and honestly, you can go buy all the stuff separately and do it yourself a different way, and it'd be a lot better. But for $10, not bad.